Hi children, welcome to our innovation. Today in this video we are going to learn Standard 6 Unit 1 Prose Sports Star. So this was the lesson we are going to see now. Shall we see the lesson? So the lesson name is Sports Star. Section 1 is given here. Listen what is there. Listen to the teacher read a diary account of a schoolboy and answer the question. So this was written by a student's diary, a schoolboy's diary note. Okay, it is a diary account. It is written here. Now let us see what is written here. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold and I had the best day at school today. So about cricket. Cricket is something that I love. Today my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli and many other male players in the Indian cricket team. But she introduced Mithali Durairaj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and One Day Internationals. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, it's not for you. You had better play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play the game at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. So, this is a diary account of a schoolboy. So, his teacher is there to introduce a cricketer. So, immediately the boy thought over the cricketer's name like Sachin, Virat Kohli, some other male player. So, he was thinking about the male players. But the teacher, she never says about a male cricketer. She says the name Mithali Durairaj, an Indian cricketer. So, on the Indian cricketer, her name is Mithali Durairaj and she is a woman. Okay, woman cricket player. So, the boy வந்து male cricket player தான் அவங்க டீச்சர் சொல்ல போகிறாங்கன்னு நினச்சிருக்கான். But she said about an Indian cricketer of women. Okay, so she was a captain of Indian women's cricket team. So Mithali Raj was captain of Indian cricket team, women's cricket team. Okay, in test and also one day matches. Okay, அதில் வந்து one day match test matchலேயே அவங்க தான் வந்து in the captain of Indian cricket team. The boy was very surprised to hear this and he never thought that there would be an woman cricket player. So, இதுவரைக்கும் woman cricket player இருந்ததே அவன் பார்த்ததில்லை. Even he never left her sister to play cricket. அவன் sister கூட cricket play பண்ண வேண்டாம். You go and play along with girls, he said like that. So, he hesitated even his sister to play cricket also. So, now he worries for that and he says that it was a great surprise. Then he came to know that. So, Maithili, she was a cricketer. She started playing cricket at the age of 10. So, Mithali Raj வந்து 10 years இருக்கும்போதே cricket play பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. And she was selected for an Indian team at the age of 17. So, this made the boy very surprised. Now, Mithali lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. So she lives in Hyderabad. Even though she lives in Hyderabad, her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman cricketer to suppress the 6,000 run marks in ODIs. Okay. So, she was recognized and acknowledged. Okay, Mithali Raj and she was the first woman international cricketer, run scorer, highest run scorer yaran pata Mithali Raj only. Okay, in Indian cricket team. Then she was taking 6,000 runs in ODIs. Okay. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. So, 7 consecutive 50s, that is 50s. So, she was scoring the run of 50s for 7 times continuously. Okay, and in fact she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket, as she is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats including Test, ODIs and T20s. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this complaint. Now, so this is all about Mithali Raj only. She was nicknamed, she was the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. And nickname, what was his nickname? How does she call? She was named as Tendulkar of Indian cricket team. So a woman cricket team, she was a Tendulkar. And she was all-time leading run scorer also. She said, on the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. So this was the quotes given by Mithali Raj. So இது வந்து Mithali Raj ஓட quotes என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so she was happy. So அது சச்சின் டெண்டுல்கர்னு அவங்களுக்கு woman சச்சின் டெண்டுல்கர்னு சொல்றது அவங்களுக்கு பெருமையா இருக்கு. Even though she never achieved. So சச்சின் டெண்டுல்கர் அச்சீவ் பண்ணதை விட half கூட இவங்க இன்னும் அச்சீவ் பண்ணல. But on the other hand, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. So, என்னதான் நான் woman cricketer இருந்தாலும் she needs her. அவங்களோட அடையாளம் அவங்களுக்கானதா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்ட்டு அவங்க சொல்றாங்க. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. So, she was not rather to compare. So, instead of comparing, so male cricketer ஓட compare பண்றதுக்கு என்னோட own identity தான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. So how does she start this career? See, so at the young age she was playing with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. So her father practice பண்ணும்போது she was just going to the ground. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start. So generally அந்த பால் விழுந்தா எடுத்து தூக்கி போடுவாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி தான் அவங்க கிரவுண்டுக்கு வெளியில் நின்று அந்த ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. She managed to secure a name and place for herself. So later on she showed more interest on cricket and started to play. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. So, generally நம்ம என்ன think பண்ணுவோம், cricketங்கிறது only for boys, only for men only. It is not for women, isn't it? But it is not. So, she had broke that barrier. So, அதை வந்து தகர்த்து எடுத்துட்டு she also showed interest and she proved that women also can shine in all other fields equal to men. Okay, women மென்னுக்கு ஈக்குவலா எல்லா ஃபீல்ட்லையும் ஷைன் ஆகலாங்கிறத அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. The government of India, in recognition of her contribution to cricket, conferred on her the Padma Shri Award. So government வந்து அவங்களுக்கு Padma Shri Award கொடுத்து ரெக்கக்னைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, and I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another woman player, Smriti Mandhana, hit stylish half centuries and half cruised to an comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in second women's T20s International on 23rd of February 2018. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Mithali Raj and another woman player, Smriti Mandhana, they both made a half centuries. Okay, stylish half centuries, make it comfortable in 9-wicket victory South Africa in second women's T20. Second women T20s that held in South Africa, they made a 9 wickets victory. Okay, and Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Now that I am inspired by her and my attitude has changed, I certainly will be happy when my little sister follows her passion. Now the schoolboy, he agrees and he changed his mind that what, even girls can do all the work. Okay, girls can shine in all the fields. That is, they can also play cricket. And later he allows his sister also to play cricket. Okay, if it was her passion, let her do it. Okay, this was he came to a conclusion, the schoolboy. Okay, now see here, some right or wrong question is given here. You can just copy it. Okay, it is from the passage only given, from the prose only it was given. In section 2, now we are going to see about another sports woman, that she is Usha Rani. Okay, Usha Rani is Kopkam Kabaddi champion, rose from shanty town of Sabendrapalaya in Yeshwantpur near Bangalore in Karnataka. Armed with her mother's unfulfilled dream to become an athlete, she became determined and practiced kabaddi at the Kantirava Stadium every morning, rain or shine. As a school child, she grew up and watching kabaddi at the club in front of her house and soon joined the club and started playing kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. So she was born in Bangalore in Karnataka, and her mother's dream was to become an athlete. Okay, Usha's mother's dream was athlete, and this made her to practice kabaddi. She liked to play kabaddi, and she made, so from morning to evening, okay, from morning to shine, that rain or shine, whatever it may be, she will play in the stadium. Okay, and at near her house there was a club, and later she joined in the kabaddi club, and she joined national level in sub junior category. Whenever she was not playing, she was the source of support to her parents and others at home. She used to sell flowers for daily living, and she had to struggle all through her life until she got a job in the Karnataka State Police Force. So they are from a poor family, they are not so rich, so she was helping whenever she was not practicing kabaddi. When in her free times, she will be helping her parents by selling the flowers, and also she was struggled in her life. Okay, till she get a job in a state police force. She's got a job in state police force, that is Karnataka State Police. She was selected as a police person for her excellence in sports and was the youngest in Karnataka State Police women kabaddi team. She was the youngest one. She was just 29 years old when she won gold medal in kabaddi. So what is her age? 29 years old. She is much acclaimed for her riding skill in kabaddi. E.S. Sumant, sports officer at Karnataka State Police Sports Promotion Board, they says that despite a well-paid job, Usha participated in national events every year without a miss. She is an expert in giving leads, raiding opponents, and constantly playing a prominent role in Indian kabaddi team. So Usha Rani, even though she had a well-paid job, she never, not even at one event, okay, national event, she never missed the national event in kabaddi. So she is a prominent player. So prominent means a very good player in kabaddi. Okay, Usha Rani is now working hard and practicing every day to win gold medal. She working as a police and also for practicing in her sports also. So both the work, she works very hard. At the Asian Games 2018, she has also become a role model to her brothers and sisters at home and only fellow sports person. Okay, she became a role model to her brothers and sisters. So she worked hard while she was playing. She was working with the way she was practicing at home. At the free time, she was helping her parents by selling the flowers. Then she got job in the police as in a patrol, and she got a job. She never stopped playing the kabaddi. Okay, she again she continues in the team, and she won the Asian Game gold medal in 2018 Asian Games. She won the gold medal. Okay, so she also become a role model to the brothers and her sisters. So this what? So by this you can understand this how hard work she made in her life, and she won many medals also. Okay, dear children, the lesson we can stop by this. So we learnt about the two players. One is Mithali Durairaj and the other one is Usha Rani. So again one more is there, that is PV Sindhu. Let us we see in the next video. Okay, you go through this lesson and read the vocabularies and glossaries again. If you have any doubt, you can mention me in the comment section. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for the further videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.